American gray parrot. He likes to introduce himself. Can you tell everyone your full name? Kiwi Wee Wee. Yeah, we call him Kiwi for short. Can you do your barnyard chicken? Very good little mimicker too. And I think you're gonna like this one. Can you do your scary pirate? Yeah. Great job. Looks like you're just about ready, Joe. Who'd you find?
Right here. Tell everybody your name right in the microphone.
My name is Elizabeth.
This is Elizabeth. Give her a big round of applause. Because it's her birthday! And she's traveled far. She's from Florida.
All right, Elizabeth from Florida. We're gonna have a math 7 minus 3.
Okay, that's really fast. Can we slow the bird down a little bit?
Sure, I will give him
Very
a
fast.
tougher one. I'll try to slow him down. Don't worry, you're gonna get him on this next one. What is 12 divided by 3?
Division. We're on vacation.
I know. Division is not fair. You know what? You're smiling though. You're having a good time. You are. Kiwi, are you having fun? Okay. Having fun. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna throw out all those other questions. We're gonna do one more for the grand prize.
Let's all give Elizabeth some support, people. Good, Elizabeth. You ready?
Okay, we're gonna go back to addition for the win. What is 2 plus 2? 4?
Yeah!
Well done. Here's your grand prize. It's a sunflower seed.
Oh, the best.
Where does all the money go? Right in my pocket. Just like that. Thank you very much. Enjoy the show. All right, anyone want to try it for a 20 over here? I'm teasing. We're gonna bring your money back, sir. All you have to do is stand up this time with your palm facing the sky. Bird will drop it off in your hand, all right? And you just hang on to the bird, or not the bird, to the dollar so that it doesn't blow away. All right, here he comes. And hold the dollar. Great job. Baby feathers, here he goes. In a few more years, he's going to drop all the dark feathers and turn creamy white, but then his head is going to be bright orange and red and yellow. They're beautiful vultures. And Joe, besides, how can you be afraid of them? You know what they eat, right?
They eat tour guides.
They eat tour guides. They eat carrion. You know what that is?
That's luggage you bring on an airplane.
Carry on, Joe. No, carrion is the rotting bodies of animals that have died out in the wild.
That is so gross.
You know, it's really gross. The vultures love it. It's a good thing too. It's really beneficial. It helps to stop the spread of disease. And nothing in nature is ever wasted that way. So you can think of vultures as nature's recyclers.
Well, I recycle.
Oh, you recycle too?
All my tour groups do.
That's great. With the help of all of you and the vultures, just like little Elvis here, this earth would be a much cleaner place. Absolutely. Last little goodie for you. And thanks for hanging out with us. He's out of here. That was Elvis. As soon as he turns around. And if you duck, he's just going to fly over. Watch this.